So in this video, let's look about the OpenAI platform. Here I'll show you the APIs available from OpenAI. The ChatGPT which you use is using the same APIs, which API is basically application programming interface. With that, you can program your own applications. So OpenAI, this company gives you a set of libraries which you can use for your own applications. So you go to the website platform.openai.com, and then here you'll see different options for you to build an application like chat, embeddings, text compilation, speech to text, or fine tuning. And here you will have an introduction and examples. So let's go to the introduction. So here it says OpenAI plugins connect to ChatGPT to a third-party application. So you can create a website or an application, connect to ChatGPT API, and design however you want. So this is what it means. So there is a lot of documentation which you can read. Quick start, where it basically says what you can do in this quick start tutorial. You'll build a samples application, and you will learn the key concepts and techniques and fundamental of using this API, like content generation, summarization, classification, sentiment analysis, data extraction and translation, more. So you can read through this documentation. It's a huge lot of documentation which you can go through. And as for libraries, it's basically using Python. So if you know Python, it's good, and you can use Python for the development. So you have a sample code, like say it imports a library called OS and Open API, and then it gets a environment key and does some actions here. So it also uses Node.js for people who, so the language is supported here is the libraries are below or build, maintain broader community. If you like to add new library, you can also do that. And the supported language C#.NET, you have these packages. C++ is available with liboai, and I don't know about Clojure. Crystal is available. Dart, Flutter integration, Delphi, Go, and Java is there, which is quite important. Node.js, PHP, Python, R, Ruby, Unity, and other things. And there are some tutorials here where you can basically go and read and see how you can implement or integrate these APIs into your applications, which you can go. And yeah, that's it about this thing. You can, I'll put the link of this website or this link, so that you can start programming with ChatGPT APIs and the artificial intelligence. And here you have different guides. For example, chat, if you want to build your own ChatGPT API with your own front interface, this you can use this chat. And here you will see a couple of code, like here, this library import and what you want to do. And you can design applications like whatever you want. And then you have text completion package or library, where it completes a text once you start writing. Like in Bird, you have these options and how you can develop applications on that. Then you have embeddings, where you can embed things like search, clustering, recommendations, and many other functionalities. And they do have some samples here, like if you click the typical use cases, like Amazon find food reviews dataset, and data visualization 2D, whatever it means here, the size of the embeddings, and basically you can visualize a specific set of data in different formats. There's a huge set of options what you can do with this API, which you need to explore, and I'll try to put more detailed stuff later. Speech to text, that's a quite interesting thing. So what does it do? It does the speech to text API provides two endpoints based on your state-of-the-art open source Whisper model. It can be used to transcribe audio into whatever language and translate and transcribe audio. So you have a library, and then you just have to build applications over this. They have given you a sample code which you can try out. Import API audio file, whichever audio file you have, and then a transcript. So you need to be using OpenAI Python, this version, for the thing to work. And then translations, you have import API and you give an MP3, and then you will get a transcript from that MP3, because the audio file is given as an input, and then you will get a transcript of whatever the audio. So in this audio, if you have hello my name, you will get this as a text. In this case, the inputted audio was German and the outputted text looks like this. So that's some functionalities which OpenAI API gives you. You have image generation. So the images API provides three methods for interaction with image: creating images from scratch based on the text prompt, creating edits of existing image based on the new text prompt, creating variations of exit. So the guide covers the basic principles, basics of using the three API points useful for code samples. And this gives you the option of creating, like, you input a text and you create an image, and this is available in DALI as an application in this app. But what you can do with this API is you can get this library integrated into your own application or website, and then develop over it however you want. So that's what this API is for. And then fine tuning. Fine tuning is learn how to customize the model for your application. So whatever you have applications, so how do you want to customize? So there's a huge set of things offered by ChatGPT, and they have also have a pricing model. I think it's basic things are free, but I think they do have a pricing model if you want to use advanced stuff, but most of the things which you can use for your own applications. So hope you like this video. So I will try to put more related to OpenAI and AI related programming, and post your comments below. Thank you. So in this video, let's look about